Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to make a simple belt sleeve. So I have my fabric here. I folded it into 4 because I'll be cutting 2 sleeves at a time. Now let's get started guys. It's just a normal basic sleeve. So this is me rolling the first line. That will be my starting line. After that guys, I went ahead to mark the sleeve length. So go ahead and mark the sleeve length of your client plus extra 2 inches. That will make it very long. Then this is me repeating it on this other side so I can have a straight line. Yeah, after that guys, the next thing I'll do is to mark my cap height. So I am using 4.5 for this client because she's a plus size. Her bust is a bust of 50, but below 45 you can use a cap height of 4 inches. Then the total wideness of this belt sleeve is 17 inches, so 16 to 17 is okay. Now this is me trying to get the armhole measurement. This is how I normally get my armhole measurement. So for this person, our armhole is 23 divided by 2. So I now rule the midpoint. After getting the midpoint, then I'm also going to get the midpoint of the cap height. That will be 2.25 here. Then so that I can form my curve. So this is me taking my curve ruler, place it from the starting to that midpoint, then turn your curve ruler like that and also connect it to the round sleeve. So this is me trying to confirm the armhole of this client and I'm okay with that. Then I'm going to add sewing allowance of 1.5 inch. After adding the 1.5 inches sewing allowance, we are going to go to the sleeve length and I'm going to be marking the 17 inches, that is the wideness on the sleeve length. Then I'm going to extend it. Yeah, so after extending it, we are going to get the midpoint of the total wideness on the sleeve length so that we can just go up a bit so as to avoid any sharp angle. So this is me getting the midpoint and I'm going to go up there by 1/2 inch. Now from the center front, I went up by 1 inch because if you notice the picture on the thumbnail, it has a bit of a curve on the middle like the center front. So this is me going up by 1 inch and I connected it to the middle, and from the middle I also connected it to the 1/2 inch, and we are actually done with this sleeve. So I'm going to cut it out guys. It is very simple. If you've gotten to this part, kindly like it, kindly like my tutorial. Let me know your comments, what you have in mind in the comment section, and you're just going to sew it and attach it to your outfit. It is very simple. This is a simple flare or bell sleeve. It is not a straight sleeve. So that is why I took out my time to just do this simple tutorial for you guys. After cutting, I'm just going to notch the upper part there so that when you are joining, that part will be the midpoint that you attach to your shoulder line. So this is how it is going to look like. So I'm also going to just mark it because this fabric looks the same. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye.